on it, and that blender is powered by a planetary drive, which is powered by an air turbine.
Oh, nice.
It's all 3D printed. There's a lot of impressive 3D printing going on in this rocket. So the air turbine is going to blend up the margarita for us. So pretty cool. It is flying on a Don Alexander M1800, and there are electronics involved.
3 parachutes.
3 parachutes. How many ice cubes?
18, and 3 LED ones.
18 ice cubes with 3 LED ice cubes, of course. All right. The range is clear. The sky is clear. And Skylar's going to give us the countdown. You ready?
3, 2, 1, blast off!
There it goes. Dang, wow.
Yeah.
Now would be really
Parachute. Yeah, there's a parachute.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
There it is.
Yeah. There's all 3 parachutes. Way to keep it exciting. You did a great job, Skylar.
good job.
Let's see if it stands up.
So hopefully the camera.
Nice soft landing.
Hopefully the video
Stick the landing.